welcome to this Mark's Reviews and Tutorials video. This is a 2023 Kia Sportage. I'm just going to show you in this video, very simply, how to open the bonnet. We're in Australia, so we've got the steering wheel on this side, but a lot of this is going to be the same no matter where you are in the world. Down here by the side, you've got this little bonnet opening symbol. That's a handle that you pull back and pull. That's step one. There's two steps. This also has a safety catch on it, and the safety catch on this Kia Sportage is right in the middle, and you press it that way. If you're looking down underneath here, you see that little catch there, that black rubber. Push that across, and then the bonnet will lift up, and it's got the shocks to hold it up in place. Here's the catch that you're reaching and grabbing, and you press it that way, and she opens up. That's that secondary safety catch.